24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson by lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Revision. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them, then ask them to introduce themselves. Let's start the lesson. Tell the students that letters make a word. Words make a sentence, and sentences make a paragraph. We will start from the letters. Objectives. Students should be able to recall small and capital letters. Differentiate between small and capital letters. Understand the correct formation of each letter. Write capital and small letters with correct formation. Recall. Sing a song of A, B, C to recall the sequence of alphabet. Sing a song and motivate the students to sing along with you.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Sing it 2 or 3 times. Read. Use the board and write the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Uppercase T, lowercase t. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Uppercase F, lowercase f. Uppercase G, lowercase g. Uppercase H, lowercase h. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Uppercase M, lowercase m. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Uppercase S, lowercase s. Uppercase T, lowercase t. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Now motivate the students to look at the board and read with you. First you say, "Look here, students. These are the alphabet. We have 2 types of alphabets, uppercase and lowercase. I'm going to read it loudly and you will repeat with me. Let's start with the uppercase letter A, and this is a lowercase a. Tell the students that both A, uppercase and lowercase look different, but their name and sound are the same. Let's say it together. Say the letter names 3 times. First yourself, and second and third time with the students. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Uppercase B, lowercase b. In the same way to the letter Z. Appreciate the students after this activity. Recognition. Wipe out the board and again write any letter on the board and then ask the students what letter it is. Do it many times to confirm that the students have recognized all the uppercase and the lowercase letters. Review. Ask the students to open their books and read from them. Ask each child to read independently at least 2 letters. Writing. Tell the students that now they will start writing letters. Help them to write uppercase and the lowercase letters. Write one by one on the board and guide the formation of each letter. Uppercase A. Place your pencil at the top of the corner. Move it down and then go back to the top and draw a short line in the middle. Lowercase a. Place your pencil at the starting point and draw a circle. Now draw a straight line down. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.